How to quick resize multiple pictures and charts in Ms. Word. Are you tired of your Office document work containing numerous pictures and charts? Think easy and innovative. There is a way you can change and resize your pictures and charts in just a click. Have you heard about VBA coding? If yes, just go straight for code below. If not, let's learn just in a minute. First, open your document in which you have pictures and charts that needs to be resized at once. Then, if you don't have Developer Option tab in Menu section, follow this procedure. Right-click on Menu tab. Click on Customize Quick Access toolbar. Select Customize Ribbon tab and then choose Command from drop-down list to click for main tabs. Then click Developer tab and click ADD button and press OK. Now go to Developer Menu tab and click Visual Basic Editor. Now add a module and type the code on the module window. See the changes to size of pictures. Hope you find an easy method for resizing mass pictures. This can be done in every Office packages like in Excel, PowerPoint as well. Thank you. If you find my content good, please like, follow and subscribe as well.